Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to replace your little cover here with the actuator plastic, if you want to call it an actuator. This plastic piece goes inside and triggers a sensor, and we're also going to show you how to replace your top cover here, which is pretty simple. So for this video you're just going to need a simple Phillips screwdriver. We're going to be using a power screwdriver. You don't need to use a power screwdriver, just a regular number 2, and a flathead screwdriver. We're going to be using this little metal gadget. So first off, we're going to start with this little plastic. This is the easiest part. Pretty much everything's easy, but this is the easier I should say. 2 screws, and that thing pops out. So just simply replace it, put those 2 screws back, just like this. Put the other screw on. Now, this cover is what you need to replace next. Very simple to do. Let me get around here. First thing you're going to do, of course, you're going to lift it up. You're going to see 2 white handles with plastic clips just like this. Just pop them out. They're C-clamps, plastic C-clamps. Pop that out. And that metal bracket here, or that guide I should say, drops. So from here, you're simply going to just going to push that. You could either go through the center here or push the side. You're just going to pop it out just like that. And then the other side comes out, and there you go. To install it, put this side in first, the one farthest to the back, and then with your finger, just push that clip back in there. Once you align it, just like that, and there you go. Go ahead and put your plastic legs or arms or whatever you want to call them. Pop those little white C-clamps in there, plastic C-clamps, and you're done. Close the cover, you're good to go. So hopefully this video helps.